Go.
Hi, I'm Joanne from No Plate Like Home, and we're gonna make an Italian Easter pie today. And I wanted to show you how easy it is. Okay, I just took a Pillsbury refrigerated pie crust, and I cut out from a paper plate just about maybe an inch or a little under around the plate, and because we're going to put it on top of here. So I cut that out, and then with the extra part of the crust, I made the cross to put on top. And this is 9 eggs with salt and pepper whisked. But before I put that in my pie crust, this is just the Marie Callender's pie crust. I'm gonna put in the meat, the prosciutto, and normally I would put in hard Italian sausage, but I don't have any, so I'm just gonna put in the prosciutto instead. And then I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, make sure that's crumbled up in there. And then I'm just gonna put the eggs on top. Ooh, forgot this cheese, which is fine. I'll just put some shredded mozzarella cheese in there. So see how full that is? This is basically called a full Italian Easter pie. And this was 9 or 10 eggs. It doesn't matter what you use. Okay, so now we have a nice full pie here. And then I am gonna put my top on it. And that's done. This is gonna go right in the oven on 350, and it's gonna bake for about an hour. And that's it. The recipe is on No Plate Like Home. Thanks and happy Easter.